Well, hey there, it's Linda from All-in-One Middle School. I'd love to give you a little preview of this product. There's a lot that goes into it because it's a month-long unit. So I hope you have your volume up and you can hear me, and let's take a look. The first thing that you're going to see is that you're going to get lesson plans for each and every day of the unit, which is going to be really helpful because it's going to go step by step for you. So let me kind of just scroll through here. And let's say that you're on the lesson on creating your thesis. You're going to get your standards, your objectives, your materials, the anticipatory set, any of the steps that you have to take. So this is going to really help you. Closure activities, any assessment, and homework. It is editable, so make any changes you want, copy and paste it as you need to for your teaching needs, okay? Let's look at the actual slideshow that you'll get. The first thing I would do is make a copy of this for yourself so that you can change anything up that you want to change, and that when you share it with your students on their digital learning platform, they'll see that it would come from you and not from me. So the table of contents is going to tell you exactly what you're doing on each day. So let's go to that. Let's go to writing your thesis, since we just talked about that. And you would just hook on here. You will go over this with them. And these are the directions. I wouldn't call it a mini lesson. I would call it some really clear, direct instruction. Go over this with them, and then they type right in here their thesis. Okay, so everything that they need is right in here. There's samples on how to do body paragraphs and intro paragraphs and conclusion paragraphs. There's a place to type their essay and a checklist at the end. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to email me at linda@allinonemiddleschool.com.